Welcome back to Wanting to Racing. Today I'll be working on the Audi A5 again, but before I do that, I'm going to give you a little update on what I've been up to. The GMC over there, I had to order more parts for the engine. Those came in yesterday, so I could start building the engine on that. Black Betty over there, I have drop spindles, but I don't have the front discs, so I ordered those. Those will be in sometime this month. The Jeep over there, I dropped the gas tank so it could be cleaned, and the automatic trans doesn't work, so I don't know if I want to rebuild that or throw a manual in it. Time will tell. But yeah, get back on this Audi. It's been throwing codes for the purge valve. It's a purge incorrect flow, something like that. I'll throw all the codes up right now. And a gross evap leak. So I'm going to be replacing the purge valve, gas cap, because the current one, I don't like how that feels in there. And I'm going to do a simple oil change. So yeah, let's get to work on this Audi. So the purge valve hides underneath this. It's this one right here. So I'm going to have to cut this, put a normal hose clamp on there, put this line snakes underneath, bolts there, clips right there. So comparing the two, it sits in there like that. Here's the purge valve, here's this bit, but it snakes underneath and connects to the intake manifold right in there. So I'm gonna have to get in there somehow and disconnect that. Made it back from O'Reilly's, so I'm going to get all this back together and lift her up and change the oil. After the oil change, I'll hook up my OBD11 and clear the codes, and hopefully everything will be fixed. Alright, now that everything is back together, let's get inside and hook up to the Audi 11. Put the car on. Alright, connect to Audi 11. Let it do its thing. Of course, it wants to read all the million control units in this car. Alright, let's go to engine, 3 faults. Alright, so it's the same codes as before. Let's just clear those. Alright, let's turn this thing on. I can already tell it starts a lot better now. But of course, it's going to have to take a few drive cycles to make sure that all that is fixed. But I'll get back to you guys on that if they end up coming back. The main focus of today was the purge valve. For Volkswagen guys, it's called the N80 valve. It's a common failure point in Volkswagen and Audi cars. So hopefully this fixes it. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. There's going to be plenty more videos. Got so many projects around here. Alright, thank you guys.